From World Knowledge Revolution 21st Century 2020 era. Happy New Year 2021 to founder of YouTube, respected Chad Harley, Steve Chen and Javed Karim. May God grace you life with his generosity and blessing. Wish you all happy new year. This year bring you a lot happiness and success. May this year bring new happiness, new goal, new achievement and many new experiences to your life. Wishing you a year fully loaded with happiness. I hope that this new year will be the best year of your life. From World Knowledge Revolution 21st Century 2020 era. Happy New Year 2021 to Facebook founder and CEO Mark Elliott Zuckerberg. May God grace you life with his generosity and blessing. Wish you all happy new year. This year bring you a lot happiness and success. May this year bring you happiness, new goal, new achievement and many new experience to your life. Wishing you a year fully loaded with happiness. I hope that this new year will be the best year of your life. From World Knowledge Revolution 21st Century 2020 era, Happy New Year 2000 new one to founder of WhatsApp, Brian Exon and John Com. May God grace your life with his generosity and blessing. May this year blessing new happiness, new goal, new achievement and many new experiences in your life. Wishing you a year fully loaded with happiness. I hope that this year will be the best year of your life. Happy New Year 2021 from World Knowledge Revolution 21st Century 2020 era. Happy New Year 2021 to dearest one Adiba, surname perfume in word. Happy New Year. God bless your life with his generosity and blessing. May this year bring new happiness, new goal, new achievement and many new experience to your life. Wishing you a year fully loaded with happiness. I hope that this new year will be the best year of your life. May all your hope are fulfilled and all your dreams come true. Happy New Year 2021 to Quorum, Honorable President of Most Respected United Nations Security Council, Honorable President of Most Respected General Assembly, Honorable 5 permanent member and Honorable 10 non-permanent member, Honorable President of International Court of Justice, Competent or Forum of Justice and Supreme Authority of the World. May God bless your life with his generosity and blessing. Wish you all happy new year. This year bring you a lot happiness and success. May this year bring you happiness, new goal, new achievement and many new experiences to your life. Wishing you a year fully loaded with happiness. I hope that this year will be the best year of your life. With the hope that date of hearing will be fixed without delay, world welfare and in benefit interest of all creatures and 7.10 million mass across the world. Happy New Year 2021 to MHRC Defense Respondent across the world. May God bless your life with his generosity and blessing. With you all happy new year, they bring you a lot happiness and success. May this year bring you happiness, new goals, new achievement and many new experiences to your life. Wishing you a year fully loaded with happiness. I hope that this new year will be the best year of your life. With the hope that MHRC will file reply without delay to Competent or Forum of Justice and Supreme Authority of the World on Commission 16 September 22, 2020 and will also give a copy of this reply to the communicator as word knowledge evaluation to file rejoinder. Happy New Year 2021 year to all humans of as farmers, employees, laborers, students, journalists, Mazlum, deprived, neglect, and oppressed human, oppressed human, imprisonment, innocent human in prison bar, and other citizens of all kinds, of all race, of all religion, of all 193 member state of United Nations of whole world, 7.8 million mass across the world. May God grace your life with His generosity and blessing. Wish you all Happy New Year. This year bring you a lot happiness and success. May this year bring new happiness, new goal, new achievement, and many new experiences to your life. Wishing you a year fully loaded with happiness. I hope that this new year will be the best year of your life. With this hope that today, one Friday, the first day of the new year, 2020 era of the 21st century, we all citizens of all kinds across the world, as affluent, we place for do following work in word welfare and benefit interest of humans and others nature across the world. Keep in mind always at first, change is the role of nature, and Mandir, Masjid, Church, and Gita, Quran, Bible are the same. God is one, and religion aim is same. Mandir 6 word. Mandir is made up of 6 English word. Masjid 6 word. Masjid is made up 6 word. Church 6 word. Church is made up on 6 English word. And Gita 5 words. Quran 5 word. In English Bible 5 words. They all says same 6 minus 5 equal 1. God is one, Creator, Almighty Lord, the Lord of the whole world, time late, symbol of the selfness, control of the whole world, in present everywhere, and is neither are in the mandir, nor masjid, nor church. God live in the heart of love, who love to Almighty Lord. It is the power of truth as Almighty Lord that make the sun shine and the winds blow everywhere in the whole world. In view of above, creating a world state human society without discrimination, creating a human society with brotherhood, creating one race, one human with humanity, creating one religion of truth, creating one flag of truth, creating one constitution of truth, creating such a constitution of truth which establishes truth, region of law, peace and security, good governance in each country of the whole world, creating such a constitution of truth who arrest all types of criminals within 1 hour to 24 hours under the new legislation. Any criminal can flee only one village, one ward to another, from the border of the village to the other, or border of the one ward to other. He may arrested immediately on the outskirts of the village or on the outskirts of the world. Creating such a constitution, truth, new lesson, truth, fast and powerful reason, prepared by the word knowledge revolution, without help of any protecting agency, any state of 193 member state country of whole world, without help of any scientific instrument of any state of 193 member state country of whole world, without help of any constitutional holder of any state of 193 member state country of whole world, and without help of billions, trillions, arbo kharbo currency of countries, will be enough to stop all kinds of crimes and crime and disunity in each country of whole world. Immediate justice to humans against any crime or crime against humanity within 1 hour to 24 hours. The culprit should be presented to the country and community within 1 hour to 24 hours. And after 7 days after the confession of the crime, on the 7 days the culprit has been acquitted or convicted by the majority of 2/3 humans under new legislation, truth, fast and powerful legislation. A needle will not be able to carry any person from one village to another or one city to another across the world. Establish freedom from slavery and freedom from British rule and law, freedom from cruel and unconstitutional law, freedom from human cruelty, from human establish liberty under international rule of law and international human rights law as under Magna Carta 1215, it class 39 and 40 and others. Second, under Charter of the United Nations of 1945, era. Its Declaration of Human Rights, UDHR, 1045 era. It's under Article 1 to 27. Under International Convention on Civil and Political Rights, ICCPR, it's under Article 1 to 37. Under the International Convention on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights, ICC, ESCR, it's under Articles 1 to 15. Under Constitution and under lands law of countries, creating clean state, corruption, pollution free state, establishing free education to all students from 0 to Z classes, free from caste, all profession education of all kinds free of cost, with goal good food, dress, book and hotel etc. Establishment free of cost of medical facility, medicine of all kinds to human across the world. Establishment sun tax. Sun tax means like the sun takes steam from water with its light and give it back to all the creatures of the world through water. Detection in ABCDEF. A mean orthography. A mean alter ego as on their helpful bird of same flock together as jasmine oil on the head of muscat. B mean frequent rise, bribe, frequently plunder, barbarous rule, barbarous state, black marketing. C mean corruption, council post holder, corrupt, dominated, countless tax, chastity, clutch, construction, characterless and cheaters. D mean dictator, dictatorship, disloyal and disloyalty, decumulation, dirty politics, dispolement. E mean extortion, education, educational and museums government. Dirty. F mean fake freedom. F mean fake freedom. On August 15, 1947 in India, government member state of United Nations. 30 October 1945 is not a republic country, rather India is a self country. Lust of governance by people and the people is solely need of throne and need of business. Remains solely made of the necessary rules and law. British High Police jail and records and remains the same. Remains the same. Only it became changed the name of independence from slavery on August 15, 1947. British Empire and white person of Britain has been replaced by cheater and malicious and tyrant black Indians, whereon Indian citizens like a owner of democratic country are a salve in hand of his regnant polity power of his state. As first expression or freedom of speech is soul of republic is certain under section 124 IPC of 1860 on the land of India and others. F mean full governments. Neither nor full governments. Detection and int. Neither nor was freedom in the British Raj. Neither nor was fake freedom in British Raj and why nor MRT as M mean mafia. Mount Mabadi etc. and was nor Armin riot, T mean terror and terrorism on the land of country and was nor countless tax, although liberty was no on the land of country in British Raj, but property as agricultural land of farmers as plains were secured in British Raj and was now no national privatism and nor holding. Dictatorship and poison of heads spread of the race, religion, politics of political party in the country. Detection and discrimination on the ground of race, color, sex, language, religion, politics and other opinion, national and social organ, property, birth and other issues, race, religion, converting in the brotherhood, detection and in unemployment, poverty, detection and in tax, sell tax, GST and DTC, all kind tax. Establish free education to all students from 1 to 12 class free of cost, all professional local education of all kinds free of cost with goal, good food, dress, book and hotel etc. Establish free of the cost all medical facility, medicine of all kinds to human across the world. Establish fulfill basic need under international rule and law, international human law under class 1215 class 39 and 40. Other articles 1 to 111 of the Charter of the United Charter of under Universal Declaration of Human Rights UDHR 1928 case 1 to 27 अंडर इंटरनेशनल कन्वेंशन सिविल पॉलिटिकल साइट ICCPR. Its article is 1 to 27. Under the Universal Convention on Civil and Political Rights ICESCR, its under article is 1 to 50. And constitutional right and liberty of humans, clean air, clean water, shelter, clothing, free toilet, free medicine, free literacy to each family members. Establishing syntax mean sun takes stream from water with its light and gives it back to all the creatures of the whole world through of water. Ban of killing of Saboteur and ban to production of heroin, nicotine, barbiturates, alcohol, LSD. Detection of चरस गांजा भाग heroin, smack, brown sugar, morphia, fighting, etc. Detection human cruelty to humans, just like human became born free in the world but found everyone crushed with the chain of the slavery and freedom of human being from human to human cruelty. Detection narcotics and other lands country, alphaloclassy and bullet, guns, black powder,